Now, let's build a gem that works with video. Let's say I'm doing an online 28-day app workout challenge, and I want to know if I'm actually improving day by day. I'm going to record myself doing the daily exercises and ask my AI fitness coach for feedback. As a word of caution, as we already discussed, while the AI is a good partner for tracking your movement and form, it is not a medical expert. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new fitness program. This tool is for coaching and progress, not medical advice. Okay, let's open Gemini to begin the demo. Let's create a new gem. I'm expanding this menu. Go to Gems. Here we see gems made by labs. I'm scrolling down to Gem Manager. I already have grammar and spelling review gem visible here in the list of my gems. And for now, let me create a new one. I'm clicking on New Gem. Let's provide the name, the description, and instructions for our personalized AI coach gem. I included this description. This gem analyzes your workout videos to provide detailed performance feedback, and it creates custom vertical motivational phone backgrounds to keep you inspired. And here are my instructions. So as always, I started with describing the role I want this gem to play. In our case, I wanted to be a professional fitness coach. Then I included a task for this gem. We are telling Gemini to analyze our workout videos, looking for engagement and safety cues like conning or doming. And I also described that I want Gemini to create a vertical image with a motivational quote. I also included starter prompts, even though we've seen that starter prompts are not quite working right now, but still let's check what will happen this time. And to make this gem truly personal, I'm going to upload an image to the knowledge base that represents the vibe of the motivational image that I want Gemini to create. I'm clicking on plus button. I have my reference file on my local drive, so I will choose upload files. This is my folder, and that's the motivational quote that I selected. Of course, you can also include other files here. For example, in case if you have a research paper that you want this gem to analyze when providing the recommendations and not just use its general knowledge, you can always upload this file here. And in terms of the default tool, for this gem, I'm not going to choose anything here. This is because our fitness coach is doing two very different things. It gives us text feedback and it creates a high resolution image. So by letting Gemini choose the best tool for each task, we ensure our phone backgrounds look sharp and our feedback is delivered without any technical issues. Everything is good here. We are ready to click on Save. And by the way, notice that there is also this preview window which you can use to test your instructions before saving them. But in my case, I already did the first test before I started recording this tutorial, so I'm good to go. I'll just click on Save and let's start our chat. I have uploaded my first video from the day one of my workout, and let's wait for a bit for the Gemini to process it. Our video has been uploaded. And before we press enter, let's talk about model selection here. So since this gem involves multi-model analysis, watching video, checking for safety cues, and providing structured feedback, I'll choose a thinking model which prioritizes reasoning over pure speed. And we are all set here, and I'll just hit enter. And here are the recommendations from Gemini. First of all, I really like that it tells us that this information is for informational purposes only. And for medical advice or diagnosis, we should consult a professional. That's totally true. Notice that it successfully identified that this is my day one workout session because of the relevant name of that file. There was a day one workout in the name. Here is the scorecard, what I nailed, and one thing to improve. I can agree with this. And next, there is a question. Would you like me to create your custom daily motivation phone background based on your day one progress? Yes, definitely yes. So let's just reply yes. And here we go. We have this perfect quote, but there is one issue with that image. If we compare it with my original reference image, we would find that they are not the same. Here is an image that I asked Gemini to create. You see that background is completely different. So let's get back to our gem and let's work with Gemini to see if we can change this and make sure that it creates images with similar background as in our reference file.